Hopefully today is entirely review. All we're going to be doing is graphing lines and writing the equations for lines. So if I had a linear equation, y equals 4x minus 3, this negative 3 tells me how much money there is in the bank account right now. It's the y-intercept. So I go down on the y-axis to negative 3, and then this other value, 4, tells me how much money I'm gaining every year. So from this negative 3, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's really 4 over 1, which means we gain $4 every 1 year. So from that $3, I go up $4, and I go over 1 year, and then I can draw the graph for that linear equation. And notice that the graph goes up. It's a positive 4, so we're gaining money. If the graph, if we had the equation negative 3x plus 2, we're going to start at $2, and it says we're losing $3 every year. So from that $2, I'm going to go down 1, 2, $3, and it takes me 1 year to lose that much money. So that's the graph of the line, and notice this graph goes down because it has a negative m value. If we had another equation, y equals 2/3 x plus 1, the amount of money in the bank account right now is $1, and this says we gain $2 every 3 years. So from this $1, I gain $2, but it takes me 3 years to gain that $2. So it's up 2 over 3. And this would be the graph of the line. Again, it's a positive 2/3, so we're gaining money. One more. If we had y equals negative 5/2 x. This one doesn't have a constant. It doesn't have an original amount. So we can assume that that amount is plus 0. So on the y-axis, we start with nothing. From that nothing, we're going to lose $5. So we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it takes us 2 years to lose that amount. So we go over 2. And this would be the graph. So that'll cover most of your assignment. There are a few problems where the graph is already given to you. And your job is to find what the equation of that graph is. So if this was the graph, we can see that the y-intercept is 2, and we're going up, so it's going to be positive. We're going up $1, and it takes us 1, 2, 3, 4 years to get there. So y equals $1 every 4 years, and I need to put the x. And then my original amount was $2, so that would be the graph of the equation. If I had another one that looked like this, we can tell we're going down. We're going down $1, $2, $3, and it takes us 1, 2, 3, 4 years to do so. So y equals negative 4/3, put in my x, and then my original amount is a positive 3. I had another one that went through the origin, and it dropped really steeply. We know it's going to be negative. From here, we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, $5, and it takes us 1 year to get there. So y equals negative 5x, and my original amount is 0. I could write plus 0, but that's not really needed. It's just assumed, so you don't need that. The answer is just negative 5x. And that should be enough to do the entire worksheet. The worksheet will be due tomorrow.